Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly general love reading for the month of Feb. While I shuffle the cards, please note tarot should always be used as a guide, so only take what resonates, leave the rest. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you want. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I'm doing the video for. So let's quickly begin. Now, what I see for you here is you have the Nine of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. Your person, Pisces, has the Five of Wands, the World card, the King of Cups, and the Page of Swords. We'll also see what is the mutual energy both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of the relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have Six of Cups. So somebody is definitely reminiscing about the past. Okay, they want to go back and renew maybe a relationship. So there's some reconciliation that might happen for some of you. Okay. Now, what I see here is your energy shows that you had a lot of stress and exhaustion about something. There was a lot of burden that you were carrying in this particular relationship because you knew that somewhere deep down this person was sharing, okay, and you got to know that this person was sharing the love and affection that you were giving, and that's where you decided that you don't want to go ahead and deal with it. You went ahead and you let go of this. Okay, it seems that you moved away and you are currently in the Nine of Pentacles energy, which is a very single abundant energy. So it could be a situation that you got to know about something, okay, that this person was doing, and that is something that hurt you a lot because you were carrying the burden of this particular relationship, and when you found out this, it hurt you so much that you thought that it's best to be single. Okay, and that's the energy that I see for you right now. However, you also realize that if in case both of you want to go ahead and work on this, okay, there will be a lot of compromises that both of you will have to do. A lot of honest conversations are required, and definitely a lot of work is required, not just from your end but also from your person's end. What I see for your person is there is the Five of Wands, the World card, the King of Cups, and the Page of Swords. Now, the Five of Wands is when a person is trying to defend himself because there's a lot of competition and chaos, okay, around that person. So and this person is going through a lot of stress, okay, because of a situation, and they want that situation to end. They want the World card, they want that particular cycle to end, and they want to start fresh because this person somewhere has a lot of love. Okay, this person does feel a lot of love for you, and they want to go ahead and tell that, okay, to you, because the Page of Swords is a very naive, a very innocent, childlike energy that this person has. It could be a situation that they just got stuck into something they didn't want to get stuck into, but they want to tell you the truth about the matter. Okay, and you can expect some sudden communication from this person. That's what I see, and it's not a very planned conversation. It could be something that all of a sudden you'll hear about this person. Okay, now, what I also see as the mutual feeling that both of you have is the Eight of Cups. Now, Eight of Cups is walking away. So, either one of you walked away or both of you moved into different directions. So, that's a very mutual feeling that I see for both of you. Let's also see what is the blockage in the relationship. The blockage is the Page of Pentacles. Now, Page of Pentacles is again a very childlike energy, but this is a very stable energy compared to the other pages. Okay, this is where you start small, but you want to build on that. Okay, but that's a blockage for you because both of you currently maybe are in two different directions and you don't know how to go about and start this. What I see as the outcome of the relationship is again the Two of Wands. The Two of Wands is where somebody has two options. It could either be two people, okay, two situations, two jobs, or it could be anything, okay, anything where there is more than one option that the person has or is trying to decide which one to go about. That's where I see that the outcome is the Two of Wands. So both of you either are in situations where you don't know how to go about, or this person is, and that's where all these confusion and chaos is coming about. Now let's also go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for this relationship. Spirit, can I have one card here? Can I have one card here, please, to understand what is the intention of this person for this relationship? Can I take just one card here to understand the intention of the person? Now, the intention of the person is a very positive card. It's the Empress card. Now, this is a major arcana, and the Empress is above all the queens. Now, irrespective of the gender, so we don't have gender in tarot, this person looks to you as their empress. Okay, they look forward to you because they see you as a very beautiful, very stable, financially independent. So you have the qualities of all the queens. Okay, and they also look to you as a very fertile person, very beautiful. So they definitely want to also build a family with you, is what I'm seeing. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take one more clarifying card on why we have the Empress as the intention of this person. Spirit, can I have one more card here, please? Okay, yes. So they want to go ahead and do justice to you because they know deep down that you also love them, and that's the feeling that they also have for you because they realize your potential and they know that they will not get an empress like you again. Okay, however, for them to go ahead and do, they have to balance the scale, right? So anything wrong that they might have got themselves involved into, they have to get that thing corrected. It could be a court case, it could be anything that they are involved in. They have to first correct that, and only then they can come towards you. Okay, and go ahead and build on this particular relationship. Now we'll also see one card here, which is the message from the archangels, and it also has a crystal. Okay, so you can go ahead and take a look, and this crystal might help you in your current situation. So let's take one card for you. Let's take one particular card. Okay, the message for you is from Archangel Michael, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. Now the crystal for you is clear quartz. Okay, now I have a piece of the clear quartz with me. It looks something like this. Okay, now what the clear quartz message is: what is it that you don't understand? Are you missing the point? It is time to gain clarity and have a clearer picture of what is truly going on within and around you. Decide that you want to see the bigger picture, get focused and stay focused. Meditation and contemplation will help you see the bigger perspective from varying points of view. So what the card is definitely saying is that maybe there is something that you're not looking right now, and that's what you need to go ahead and maybe deep dive a little, get your facts into place, do that research. If there's something that you feel, at times we get that very inkling feeling that there's something that you don't know. If you're getting that feeling, that's your intuition telling you something. So just go about, do that research, and I'm sure that will help you to decide whether you want to be in this relationship or it's best to just move on and find your soulmate. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe and love yourself first.